If you want to create a GIF in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you the full process step by step using CapCut Desktop so you can turn a video clip or a few images into a smooth looping GIF in just a few minutes. We'll keep it simple, fast, and beginner friendly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut Desktop and start by clicking Create Project. This will open a new editing workspace where you can begin building your GIF. Once your project is open, look for the import button and upload the video clip or image sequence you want to turn into a GIF. You can use a short video, a screen recording, or even a few photos if you want to create a slideshow style GIF. After your media is imported, drag it down onto the timeline. This is where you'll edit the length of the clip and prepare it for export. Since GIFs are meant to loop quickly, it's best to keep your clip short. Try trimming it down to around 5 to 10 seconds or even less if you want the file size to stay small and the playback to feel smooth. To trim the clip, select it on the timeline and drag the edges inward until you have the exact section you want. If there's a part at the beginning or end that you don't need, cutting it out now will help make the GIF cleaner and more focused. The shorter and more direct your clip is, the better the final GIF will usually look. Now, if you want to make your GIF a little more fun or expressive, you can add optional extras before exporting. On the left side tab in CapCut, you'll find things like animations, elements, and emojis. You can use these to make your GIF more eye-catching, add motion, or include a playful reaction style. This part is optional, but it's a great way to make your GIF stand out if you're creating content for social media, chats, or memes. Once you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to export your GIF. Click the blue export button in the top right corner of the CapCut interface. This will open the export settings window where you can choose the correct format and quality options. In the export settings box, the first thing you want to do is uncheck the standard video exporting option. That's important because we're not creating a regular video file here. We want CapCut to export this project as a GIF instead. Next, scroll down until you find the export GIF option and check that box. This tells CapCut that your final output should be saved as a GIF file rather than a standard MP4 or video format. After that, click the resolution dropdown. If you're using the free version of CapCut, select 240p. Higher resolutions like 320p or 640p are usually locked behind CapCut Pro, so 240p is the best free option if you want to export without upgrading. For most simple GIFs, this is perfectly fine, especially if you're sharing them online or using them in messages. Once your settings are ready, click the final export button at the bottom of the window. CapCut will now render your GIF and save it directly to the folder you selected on your computer. Depending on the length of your clip and your computer speed, this may take a few moments. When the export is finished, go to your folder and check the file. You should now have a fully created GIF that you can share, upload, or use anywhere you need. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a GIF in CapCut from start to finish. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut how-to video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.